How to use a target circle reward. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use target circle reward. So to do this, you want to open up your target application and log in. So the target circle so then the target circle rewards are automatically applied as a payment method during the checkout once activated in your account or the app. You can use them for further purchase in store or online at target.com or in the Target app as well. Now, if you want to redeem in online, you want to first of all sign into your Target account, and during checkout your available target circle or target circle reward can be applied as a payment option. Then you could just go and look for the check box or toggle option to apply for your balance to a total purchase amount. So basically what you want to do is look for the item that you actually want to buy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and with this. Now then click on add to cart, and as you click on it, it's gonna go ahead and ask you to enable all these permissions, and then click on the cart section or go to the cart from the home page. So when you go to the cart section here, what you want to do is just click on checkout, and during this procedure it's going to be automatically added the target circle reward. That's how you could use. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.